And the main thing is to finding the truth. And today we got the truth.
Continuing coverage in the case of a Mount Zion man accused of drowning his wife. 35-year-old Chad Cutler has been found guilty of murder by a Decatur jury today.
This comes 3 years after his wife Lisa was found dead in their home. News Channel 20's Michelle London joining us now with what some close to the case are saying tonight.
Well, Stacey, Adam, the guilty verdict came in around noon after more than 2 hours of deliberations today and in the last hour last night. That decision, one that sparked emotions from both sides after more than 3 years of waiting to see how it will play out. Chad Cutler sat emotionless before a judge Thursday afternoon as the jury, 8 men and 4 women, read their guilty verdict on 3 counts of first-degree murder, a case that's been ongoing since 2012, coming to a close.
The 3 years might seem long to someone, but the case was done beautifully well and structured very well by the prosecutor. So I think to us, there's no loopholes, and the truth is the truth.
Cutler's mother and brother, who declined to talk to News Channel 20, quietly left the courtroom after the verdict was read, while the sister-in-law and a close friend of the victim, Cutler's wife, 47-year-old Lisa Cutler, cried and embraced, filled with emotion.
It's sad for both families, but Lisa's voice finally got heard, and I'm grateful for that.
Lisa was found dead in a bathtub of the couple's Mount Zion home back in April of 2012. Chad, the only suspect ever charged.
There was a lot of investigation in this case. There were red flags from the beginning, but you don't want to charge somebody with a crime unless you know you've got all the evidence.
Lisa's loved ones say while justice was served today, it's a case that no one wins.
I made a silent promise to her the day she died that we would find out what happened, and we would never stop until we found out what happened to her.
Everybody in the case is a loser. Everybody lost out. The kids, you know, obviously
Connie.
Lisa, Connie, you know, Francine and me. It was just a horrible ordeal.
Now, Macon County State's Attorney Jay Scott says Cutler faces 20 years to life in prison. We reached out to the defense attorney, Jeff Justice, but he declined to comment after the verdict was reached. Chad Cutler will be sentenced on August 7th. Stacey?
Thank you, Michelle. As for Chad and Lisa Cutler's 2 children, they are temporarily living in separate homes. Their daughter was taken in by a foster family, and the son will be moving in with his aunt. Lisa's brother, David Ransdell, tells News Channel 20 they are currently working to bring them back together.